team nila, or former team ni Neil Tolentino. As we can see, Neil, inaakap ang kanyang mga former teammates. Of course, he was part of that championship squad ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns AMG3 Construction. The players, nag-e-exchange lang ng pleasantries, nag-e-exchange ng handshakes as we get ready for this tune-up game between ABRA and Pampanga. Encho Serrano in the starting lineup together with MJ Garcia, Ronan Santos, Justin Baltazar, and Renz Alcoriza. As we have tip-off here between Ronan Santos and GP Paundo, former San Miguel Beermen. Balti gets first possession. Encho goes to MJ. To Alcoriza. They give it to Santos. Ronan at the post against Paundo. Ronan gets the first 2 points of the ball game for Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Great move there from the 6'7" athletic big man of Pampanga. As Paundo, shortstop jumper, no good. MJ gives it to Renz. Back to Ronan. Gives it to Encho. They set up a play to pick and roll. Balti was well covered. Good defense there from ABRA Weavers. Turnover for Pampanga Giant Lanterns. You can see Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, the reigning Coach of the Year. A three-time Coach of the Year in 3 different leagues. Paundo gives it to Tolentino. Back to GP. Stolen away by MJ. He has Reds on his right. And Garcia couldn't get the layup to drop. Here comes Talio. Mac swings it to Tolentino. Gives it to Escamis. Clint misses the three-pointer. There's a foul on the outlet pass ni Balti. The first team foul para dito sa ABRA. Sideline inbound for the home team. Itong Pampanga G Lanterns as unti-unti na napupuno. Itong BREN GUIAO, of course, they are going in all-out support dito sa tune-up game. Tune-up game pa lang po at napakarami ng tao to support Pampanga Giant Lanterns. As Encho misses, Balti put back on the third serving. Baltazar gets it to go. Or nothing in favor of Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Here comes the MVP of the NCAA, Clint Escamis from the Mapua Cardinals to Talio. Couldn't get the three-pointer to go, but Tolentino gets the offensive rebound. Look at Tolentino hustling hard against his former teammates. Of course, last year, Neil Tolentino did play for Pampanga Giant Lanterns and won a championship with them. Now donning the ABRA jersey, as we can see the head coach of the ABRA Weavers right there on your screens kanina. Garcia manning the point. Balti one-handed shot is good. 4 points now for Baltazar. Here's Clint working the pick and roll, and that's going to be an illegal pick whistled here. Encho sold that well. Six to nothing, 7 minutes and 38 remaining. Encho working the pick and roll against Talio. That's another illegal screen. This time, Baltazar naman ang napituhan. First, Tonton Bringas ang napituhan ng illegal pick. Dito naman sa other end, Balti gets whistled for the illegal screen din. 7 minutes and 21 natitira sa ating first period of this tune-up game between the ABRA Weavers and Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Escamis attacks, kicks it to GP. Faundo against Santos. Faundo makes his move. One-handed shot is good for the former San Miguel Beermen. First bucket of the game for GP Faundo and first field goal para dito sa ABRA. Balti to Encho. The Lasal teammates connect right now. Encho misfires on the three, but Balti keeps it alive. Serrano, the up fake. Serrano, no good. Balti on the putback. 6 points now for Balti Baltazar. And a quick timeout for Coach Jonathan Banal as his team is down 8-2 early on. Balti Baltazar already scoring 6 of the 8 points ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns. 8-2 is our score. Take a look at this beautiful hook shot by GP Faundo, the former Growling Tiger, and San Miguel Beermen. Counter naman dito ang De La Salle Green Archer. Balti Baltazar, the reigning MVP, has 6 points to its tally. 6 minutes and 38 remaining in the first period. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa tune-up game ng ABRA Weavers and Pampanga Giant Lanterns. As we can see, the former number 1 3x3 player in the country, former Converge Fiber Xer Mac Talio and Mark Montuano now on the floor para dito sa ABRA. A new team, itong ABRA Weavers, but you can see how elite their players are. Montuano, a long-time regional basketball pro player. Speaking of, ito, Talio, three-pointer. No good. But Tolentino out-hustles etong si Baltazar. First 2 points for Neil Tolentino against his former teammate. Alcoriza gives it to Santos. DHO with Serrano. Encho gives it to Balti. Balti will try for a three. Balti now has 9 points. Balti with a steal. He has Alcoriza in front. Garcia drops it off. Balti tried to throw it down. Justin against Montuano. Kicks it back out to Renz. Alcoriza, scoop shot, no good. Well defended by Faundo. Talio will play point for ABRA. Mac working the pick and roll with Mark. GP splits the defense. Stolen away by Ronin Santos. Alcoriza gives it to Baltazar. Back to Alcoriza. He fires a three. Knocks it down for Renz Alcoriza. Early 10-point lead already para dito sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns. 14-4. Talio gives it to Faundo. GP, hook shot, no good. Here comes MJ. Baltazar gives it back to Garcia. MJ spins, gives it to Balti. Will try again for three. First miss of the game for Baltazar from three-point land. Now 1 out of 2 si Balti. As Escamis kicks it to Talio. Mac couldn't make the three-pointer. Over 3 na si Mac Talio to start off. As Alcoriza fires on the fast break and Reds! 6 points now for Renz Alcoriza. Known as a hot shooter, sweet shooter itong si Renz Alcoriza. Back-to-back three-pointers now for him. Faundo works the double team. Kick out pass niya natapik. Encho on the break. Serrano against Tolentino and Neil with a duty foul against his former teammate Encho Serrano. Here comes Jamo Egilos and Kurt the Hurt Rayson for Pampanga Giant Lanterns. As take a look at this transition triple from Renz Alcoriza. 6 points now to Alcoriza's name. Jeff Viernes will also check in for Pampanga. Uupo muna ito si Encho Serrano. Balti gives it to Viernes. Jeff swings it to Renz. Alcoriza, heat check. That time he misses. Rebounded by another former Pampanga player, John Lloyd Clemente. Turnover for the NU Bulldog there. Kurt gives it to Renz. Swing it back to Kurt. Balti, big steps to the basket. 11 points now for Justin Baltazar. Easy move right there for Balti. As Montuano couldn't knock down the triple. Another board for Justin Baltazar. Rayson gives it to Jamo. Masyadong mababa yung pasa tong Higilos. Here comes Clemente. JL fires. Wala pa rin. And Viernes on the run. He has Higilos up top. Di nga lang nahawakan ulit na maayos ni Jamo Higilos. Another turnover back-to-back for the Lanterns. As you can see, the beloved governor, the head coach of Pampanga Giant Lanterns, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda on your screens. There's a foul on Jeff Viernes, trying to steal the ball away from Mark Montuano. Sideline inbound for ABRA. 2 minutes and 56 natitira sa ating first period. Clemente to Pastoran. Up fake, sidestep, three-pointer. It's good para dito kay Pastoran. (19-7) ang ating score. Viernes double team on the sideline. Pero may foul. It's gonna be on Montuano. Napasok ito si Corteza. Jacob Corteza of St. Benilde comes into the ball game. Let's take a look at this three-pointer right here. Galing dito kay Pastoran for ABRA. Good step back three. Corteza from St. Benilde comes into the ball game together with Matt De Leon, number 25 for Pampanga. So the twin tower combination of Egilos and De Leon now on the floor. Viernes nasa free throw line dahil nga penalty na itong ABRA, samantalang itong Pampanga only has 2 team fouls. Two out of 2 para kay Viernes from the free throw line. Montuano, double team by Rayson and Viernes. Mark kicks it to Pastoran. They swing it to the corner. JL attacks. Clemente overshoots the layup. There's a whistle. I believe it's on the rebound play. Destacamento. King got fouled on the rebound. So baseline inbound. Foul is whistled on Corteza. Clemente to inbound. Gives it to Chavez. Chavez attacks. Whoa. Deflected there by Matt De Leon. Good defense right here. Kitang-kita yung length ng Pampanga playing a factor against ABRA. Chavez again attacks the middle. No good, and look at that rebound by Jamo Egilos. Rayson. Corteza wants it at the post. Finally gives it to him. Spins baseline. Kicks it. Rayson up fake. Kurt. Tough shot for Rayson. Air ball. Kurt says not to pick. The ball will go to ABRA. A minute and 56 natitira dito sa ating first quarter. The full court trap here set up by Pampanga. Broken up by ABRA. Pastoran. Swings it to Clemente. They go down low to Montuano. Mark, jumper is good from the baseline. First 2 points of the game for Mark Montuano. Kurt calling the play. Gives it to Corteza. Swings it back to Rayson. Viernes. There's a switch. Rayson has 4 seconds on the shot clock. Kurt Fadeaway jumper, wala yun. Tapi ka ng bola. It will remain dito sa side ng Pampanga. Rayson to Jamo. Gives it to Jeff. Viernes. Oh, ho, ho. Knocks it down off the glass for Jeff Viernes. Montuano cuts to the middle, stripped away by Rayson from behind. Kurt. Lobs it to Matt. Masyado nga lang mataas. Chavez on the run against Egilos. Kicks it to Pastoran. They give it to Destacamento. Good extra pass papunta dito kay Clemente. Tic-tac-toe play para dito sa ABRA. Final 24 seconds ng first half. 13-point lead para dito sa Pampanga. That's gonna be a foul on Mark Montuano. Pangalawa niya na yan sa laro. At penalty na nga. So Matt De Leon will go to the free throw line. Tingnan natin yung napakagandang pasahan dito. Pastoran to Montuano to Destacamento and Clemente for the final shot of that play. De Leon knocks down the first free throw. $20 seconds natitira sa ating first quarter. De Leon, second free throw. Mintis yan. Clemente with the board. 16 seconds on the clock. Clemente kicks it to Destacamento. King gives it to Chavez. Chavez works the pick and roll. 4 seconds and Destacamento couldn't hold on to the basketball. Turnover na naman yan para sa ABRA. Estalio and Recto come back in. Uupo itong si Chavez at si Montuano. Referees correct the call. Bola daw ng ABRA dito. 3.3 seconds natitira. King gives it to Talio. Mac to beat the buzzer. Off the mark. At dyan magtatapos ang ating first period dito. Pampanga Giant Lanterns abante ng 14 puntos dito. 25-11 after the end of the first quarter. Tignan natin itong mga first quarter highlights natin dito. GP Faundo with that beautiful jump hook there. Ito naman, Justin Baltazar may jump hook din from the baseline of his own. 11 points for Balti in this first quarter. Neil Tolentino against his former team, scoring that bucket of the offensive rebound. Ito naman, big men can shoot. Balti from the outside. The counter galing dito kay Pastoran. Ito, Baltazar, ginamitan ng haba, ginamitan ng tangkad, ginamitan ng finesse. Ang defender niya, Justin Baltazar with 11 points in the first quarter. Kaya abante ng 14 puntos sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns, 25-11. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa tune-up game ng ABRA Weavers and Pampanga Giant Lanterns. As we can see the former San Miguel Beermen player GP Faundo on your screens kanina. And now the legend himself, Jeff Viernes and Jamo Egilos. Now donning the jersey of the defending champions Pampanga Giant Lanterns. As itong second quarter natin, abante ng 14 puntos itong Pampanga. Talio runs into traffic. Recto, step back triple. Against De Leon, no good. And look at GP out work etong si Egilos. And that's his favorite shot. Kahit nung college pa siya, running for UST. For Coach Boy Sablan, GP Faundo, favorite na favorite niya yung turnaround jumper na yan. Viernes, kicks it to Jamo. They swing it to Corteza, back to Viernes. Jeff, step back triple. Too strong, De Leon offensive board, and De Leon puts it back up and in, plus a foul.
Coach Jonathan Banal not happy, was asking for a shot clock violation, pero may 3.4 seconds pa doon ng Pampanga. They still had 3.4 seconds nung tinira ni Viernes yun and tinira din ni De Leon. There is a shot clock there and there was no reset. De Leon misses the bonus free throw. Clemente with the rebound. Talio still scoreless in this ball game. Recto is fouled there. A pushing foul will be whistled. Gonna be on Matt De Leon na napituhan ng foul. Chavez comes back in para dito sa panig ng ABRA. Recto first free throw is a miss. For 2 and a rebound here for number 27. Rayson gives it to Matt. Viernes is wide open, di siya nakita, but De Leon fires, no good. There's a foul going to be whistled on Matt De Leon. Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda telling him to see the floor. Si Cruz, pumasok na, number 9 para dito sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Talio, he'll attack, drops it off. Good up fake, GP muscles his way through. He draws a foul. GP Faundo, the patience galing kay GP underneath. Take a look at that up fake. Another up fake, step through move. De Leon got the block, but there was a foul whistle on number 27. Faundo still misses the free throw. 13-point lead for Pampanga. 8 minutes and 33 natitira sa ating first half. Viernes goes to Corteza, back to Jeff. They swing it around, Cruz. Works the pick and roll, gives it to Viernes. Viernes fires. Overshoots that three-pointer. Recto bringing the ball down. Kicks it to Clemente. Good defense right there from Pampanga. Recto having trouble, stolen away. And here comes Cruz. All alone, and Cruz with an easy layup. First 2 points para dito kay Cruz. Coming by the second period. Faundo free underneath, blocked by De Leon. What a rejection by Matt. Corteza, baseline jumper. No good, and GP clears it. Chavez gives it to Faundo. Faundo gets De Leon, and that's a traveling violation whistled here on GP Faundo as eto na, papasok na ang pride of Mexico, Pampanga. Archie Concepcion now on the floor for Pampanga Giant Lanterns. After his stint for Blackwater Bossing, he now dons his home province. And it's just fitting to see Archie back in a Pampanga jersey. Archie, they go down low. They swing it over. Ventulan attacks. No good, but they get the rebound. De Leon hangs in midair. Sobra lang. Matt, they go down low. And there was a foul call. I believe it's going to be whistled on Mac Talio. Take a look at the hustle right here from the tall trees, and there's the foul. Chavez pala napituan, not di pala si Talio. It's going to be on Chavez. 2 free throws given here to Pampanga. First free throw is a make. 7 minutes and 11 seconds natitira sa ating first period. 2 for 2 for number 27. 31-14 ang ating score. Again, three-quarter court trap para dito sa Pampanga. Chavez manning the point. They swing it over. Bringas gives it to Talio. Talio pulls up. Talio still can't knock down his first field goal of the game. Oh, a turnover for Archie. Chavez swings it to GP. Faundo draws the foul. I think it's going to be on G-Boy Gob. Two rivals there, G-Boy Gob and GP Faundo. Of course, G-Boy Gob played for UP. The Fighting Maroons when GP Faundo was in UST. So rivalry renewed for GP Faundo and G-Boy Gob. (31-14) ang ating score. One out of two dito para kay GP Faundo. Cruz. Coach Jonathan Banal not happy. He thought it was out of bounds na ito si Cruz. Referees don't call it. Jumper. No good para dito sa Pampanga. Talio with a rebound. Mac. Working the pick and roll. They give it to Bringas. Chavez. Back to Talio. Mac for three. First 3 points of the game for Mac Talio. (31-18), 13-point lead pa rin para dito sa Pampanga. Cruz gives it to Ventolan. They swing it over. Archie. Jab step. Three-pointer. It's good para dito kay Archie Concepcion. Faundo against Gob. GP slips. And a pushing foul whistled here on G-Boy Gob. Escamis comes back in para dito sa panig ng ABRA. Tolentino talking to his teammates here. Look at that jab step. And the clear shot there for Archie Concepcion. Nothing but net for the pride of Mexico, Pampanga. Faundo misses on the first one in his earlier trip. 1 out of 2 siya doon. Jonathan Banal barking some instructions. Faundo goes 1 out of 2 again. Ventolan gives it to Concepcion. Gob from the outside, no good. Here comes Tolentino. Tolentino steps out of bounds. Five minutes and 19 natitira sa ating first half. Ventolan kicks it to Alfonso. Back to Concepcion. Archie trapped. Stolen away by Talio. Here comes Tolentino. Neil. Back to Mac. Back-to-back threes ba to? And Talio knocks down his second three of the game. Happy watching po sa 700 viewers po sa ABRA Facebook page. And syempre to the 2.4K viewers sa Pampanga Facebook pages. Brandon Alfonso knocks down the triple. 37-22 na in favor of Pampanga. GP against Gob. Faundo. Hook shot, no good. Escamis with an offensive rebound. Clint, no good. And Ventolan with the offensive or the defensive rebound. Ito, Archie. Easy layup now for Concepcion. And a timeout is whistled here for the ABRA Weavers. Namamagana ang kalamangan dito ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns after Archie Concepcion with an easy layup there. The Growling Tiger going to the Arellano Chief. Ventolan to Concepcion. 39-22 ang ating score. The ABRA Weavers down right now by 17 big points, 39-22 as Tolentino and Talio talking to each other how they could cut this lead down. Some chemistry issues, a little bit of chemistry issues meron dito sa ABRA in terms of di pa nila alam paano maglaro together with each other. Of course, this team is a brand new team, kakabuo pa lang compared to Pampanga Giant Lanterns, defending champions. May mga new players but the core is still intact. Archie, Balti, Encho, Kurt. Andyan pa rin yung championship team nila. But Talio is wide open again. And Tolentino collects the rebound. He gives it back to Mac. Escamis. Back to Talio. They go to Bringas. Good defense there by Archie reading the backdoor cut ni Tolentino. Concepcion gives it to Gob. DHO with Cruz. Cruz pulls up. No good. Alfonso with an offensive board. Couldn't knock down the putback. Talio against Alfonso. Gives it to the cutting Tolentino. And again, disrupted by Archie Concepcion. Mark Montuano troops back in for ABRA. Also, Baltazar checks in for Pampanga, as well as Raymond Binuya, the pride of San Fernando. Balti with 11 first quarter points. Now comes in the second period. Concepcion gives it to Ventolan. He'll use the screen ni Balti, kicks it to G-Boy. Go up from the outside, no go. Escamis against Ventolan. Natapik ni Binuya from behind. Tolentino swings it to Talio. They give it to Bringas underneath to Tolentino, who overshoots the layup. The Balti effect, and Balti smiling at Tolentino right now. Archie, one-legged shot. No good yan. There's a foul going to be whistled on Concepcion. Dahil nabaliktad na, early penalty naman itong Pampanga. Magpupunta sa free throw itong si Tonton Bringas. Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and Coach Humperdick Di Matulak trying to map out something dito. Of course, this is just a tune-up game before they start their official season and defend their championship. Meron silang ipapolish pa. There's also, para dito sa panig ng ABRA, they're also polishing a couple of things, and they also, may nakikita ako sa bench nila, a former Barangay Ginebra player and champion, Prince Caperal. Not in uniform, but soon he'll be suiting up for ABRA din. A lot of new faces sa parehong koponan. As Encho Serrano comes back in, uupo muna itong si Ventolan. There's a timeout whistled here for Pampanga. They're trying to protect a 16-point lead dito. 39-23 with 2 minutes and 38 seconds natitira sa ating first half. This is the tune-up game between the Pampanga Giant Lanterns and the ABRA Weavers here sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. At unti-unti na pong napupuno dahil gustong-gusto pong suportahan ng mga kabalin. Siyempre, ang kanilang koponan dito, ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns, the defending champions. Grabe agad ang kanilang suporta dito. Hindi pa nagsisimula ang season, and yet, sinusuportahan agad nila ang kanilang koponan. As we can see, Mayor JB Bernos, the team owner of the ABRA Weavers, Mayor JB, dumayo pa papuntang Pampanga para suportahan ang kanyang koponan. Of course, the brand new team, itong ABRA Weavers. Mayor JB, all-out support agad. Binuya gives it to Alcoriza. Binuya gives it to Balti. They give it to Renz. Gives it to Ronin Santos. Santos back in the ball game. Enzo try to give it to Balti. Basang-basa in Italio. Scamis. And Montuano. Montuano with the first two, with another 2 points here. Balti. There's a foul gonna be whistled here on Tonton Bringas. Of course, this tune-up game is brought to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. To take a look at mga kalaban nila and how they perform this season. And look at that layup there by Mark Montuano. Good dime from Clint Escamis. As GP Faundo comes back in, uupo itong si Bringas. Baseline inbound for Pampanga. Encho. Kicks it to Alcoriza. Renz fires. In and out. Here comes Tolentino. Santos and Montuano. Got entangled there. Double foul will be whistled on both Montuano and Ronin Santos. Sideline. It's a double foul. That's why hindi siya 2 free throws. Dahil nga pareho silang may foul, it will just nullify. Sideline inbound lang to for ABRA. 14-point lead para dito sa Pampanga. Tolentino to Escamis. Back to Neil. Neil pulls up. Short for Tolentino. Here comes Binuya. Kicks it to Encho. Wide open look. Transition triple. Walayan, look at Binuya hustling hard, but Escamis beats him to the ball. Tolentino drops it off Montuano. Blocked by Baltazar. And they have the numbers. Alcoriza fires. No good. Encho with a board. And Serrano fades back. Wala pa rin. Binuya to Alcoriza for the 2 points. Good hustle and dime there. Galing dito kay Raymond Binuya. Less than a minute natitira sa ating second quarter. GP gives it to Escamis. Set up a play for Mac. Step back. Gives it down low to Faundo. Tolentino. He'll attack Balti. Drops it off. Naagawan ni Serrano. Binuya to Alcoriza. To Baltazar, who gets the basket, plus a foul. And look at that, he is laughing at his former teammate Neil Tolentino there. That would have been a Balti throwdown, but nonetheless 2 points and an end one opportunity for Justin Balti. Baltazar, take a look at that fast break. Alcoriza gives it to Balti. Balti tried to throw it down in front of Neil Tolentino. And look at him, Balti just shakes Tolentino from behind and flexes his muscle. 2 former teammates there enjoying a moment. Baltazar unstoppable dito sa ating first half. Already up to 14 points. Make that 15 now for Balti. 26.9 seconds natitira sa ating first half. Recto. Gives it to Pastoran. They swing it over to Clemente. They say, let's take the last shot. JL to Pastoran, to Talio. Mac works the pick and roll. Pastoran, wide open look. No good pa rin. Tapikan ng bola, Faundo gets it against Baltazar, and Faundo draws the foul on Balti. GP sawed Balti, his former rival from De La Salle. Take a look at this move by GP Faundo. Clear foul there. The umbrella defense by Balti. Medyo nakababa yung kamay. That's why napituan as Paundo knocks down the first free throw. Two out of two para dito kay Balti. 5/10 of a second remaining dito as Encho from 3/4 court. No good. And that ends the first half of action dito sa ating tune-up game between the ABRA Weavers and the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. It is Pampanga abante ngayon 44-27. A huge lead agad para sa kanila. Di pa nakakalamang itong ABRA Weavers dito sa ating laro as we take a look at the second quarter highlights. That was the fast break layup para dito kay Cruz. Ito yung first field goal ni Mac Talio of the ball game. It came by the three-point land. The pride of Mexico, Pampanga, Archie Concepcion lighting up the scoreboard from three-point land. And the counter by Mac Talio. Two former PBA players facing off right now. Ito, fast break play, Alcoriza to Baltasar. For the three-point play, the old-fashioned way against Neil Tolentino and Balti. Konting kulitan with Neil Tolentino there. Kaya nga abante dito ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns kontra ABRA Weavers 44-27. Kapit lang po sa mga nanonood kasi magbabalik po tayo dito sa tune-up game.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Lark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, PPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. but also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more.
Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa tune-up game ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns in ABRA Weavers, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda in partnership with Sinag Liga Asia Sports Production, as 44-27 ang ating halftime score in favor of Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Siyempre, the biggest lantern of them all, Balti Baltazar, leading the way dito, kaya nga napakalaki ng kalamangan nila. And also, their new recruit dito, Jeff Viernes. Kahit Sabado, nagpapaulan pa rin si Jeff Viernes. Mactalio back into the regional basketball pro scene. Three-pointer agad. And syempre, the pride of Mexico, Pampanga, Archie Concepcion with the three. Two former PBA players nag-counter ng 2-3 doon. And ito yung highlight reel. Binuya to Alcoriza to Baltazar for the three-point play the old-fashioned way. Para dito sa Pampanga. And then ito yung flex ni Balti sa kanyang former teammate, Neil Tolentino. Some gamesmanship galing dito kay Balti to his former teammate. Kabante sila dito, 44-27. Nakikita natin dito ang jam-packed crowd sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. All-out support. Kahit tune-up game pa lang to, ganito na ang suporta ng mga kabalin dito sa kanilang home team, ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns. 17-point lead ang meron sila dito at the half. Nakikita natin sila Jaymo Igilos, MJ Garcia, Kurt the Hurt Rayson, Ronin Santos, and Jeff Viernes going into the ball game to start off this second half. As we can see, Prince Caperal, the former Barangay Ginebra champion, coaching his team. He will suit up one day para dito sa ABRA. Of course, this is just a new team, itong ABRA Weavers. Still trying to fix some things in terms of the chemistry and plays nila. We can see championship pedigree talaga dito ng Pampanga. Abante sila ng 17 big points at the half, and they get the ball to start off this third quarter. Egilos and Santos naman ang pinagsabay dito. J-Mo to Kurt. Rayson to MJ. Garcia fires and knocks down the triple. Ito na naman si third quarter man, MJ Garcia. Once again, starting off the third with a triple. They kick it over. Clemente, three-pointer is good. Falling down pa si JL Clemente doon. Still catching that triple. Viernes wants a double screen from Egilos and Santos. Oh, stolen away by Talio. Mac on the run against Egilos, and Talio gets the layup to go. Garcia hands it off to Viernes. They give it back to Santos. To the curling Garcia, and Garcia gets it to drop over GP Paundo. (49-32) is our score, and backcourt violation whistled here on Recto. Another turnover for ABRA. Take a look at this. Good play right here galing sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns. MJ Garcia on the curl play. Viernes gives it to Santos. Rayson pops out. Kurt has a mismatch. Kurt gives it to J-Mo. J-Mo against GP. Egilos follow-away jumper is short. Clemente pulls up from mid-range. Jumper is pure. 5 points now. All in the 5 points in this third quarter alone for JL Clemente. Against his former team, the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. He did play for them last season and won a championship at that. Egilos, DHO with Viernes. J-Mo, up fake, powers through. Di nga lang pumasok. Good defense galing dito kay Recto. Pastoran working the screen. GP away from the basket, gives it to Talio. Max still out of sync after hitting 2 in the first half. Pastoran from the outside, ayaw pa rin. Finally, Egilos clears it para dito sa Pampanga. Rayson, in and out dribble. Kurt gets stripped. Santos gets it back. They give it to Rayson. With 9 seconds on the shot clock. Kurt in trouble. Rayson, the attack, and Rayson draws the foul. So Rayson will shoot 2 as Clint Escamis comes back into the ballgame, replacing it to si Mac Talio. Kurt, the hurt, Rayson, the pride of Malita, Davao Occidental, and a former Colegio de San Juan de Letran Knight, now turned Pampanga Giant Lantern. He is called here, known as the adopted son of Pampanga. Mahal na mahal siya dito ng mga kabalin. Dahil nga, napagkampiyon niya itong Pampanga Giant Lanterns twice after his stint with Letran. Now he still remains for Pampanga, looking to win another championship with them. So si Chavez comes back into the ball game, replaces Pastoran. Oh, Rayson with a near steal. Another near steal for Pampanga, but finally ABRA clears it. Clemente, another 3. And look at that, JL looks at the bench ng Pampanga, looking at his former teammates as he knocks down another triple. De Leon gives it to Egilos. Hands it off to Rayson. Kurt to Jamo. Jamo with an easy layup. The legendary big man of Jamo Igilos. Now donning the jersey of Pampanga. Clint. He'll attack. Dumps it off to GP. Paundo, one-handed shot. Well defended by Igilos. There's a foul on the rebound play. It will be whistled on Clint Escamis. Of course, the Rookie of the Year MVP of the NCAA from Mapua. You can see Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda on your screens. This is his brainchild. Itong tune-up game na to was all him. Of course, it's also in partnership with Sinag Liga Asia Sports Production. Viennes from way downtown, no go. Jamo taps it to the wrong man, and there's a foul going to be whistled here on Matt De Leon. Babalik ito si Tonton Bringas. For ABRA, there's the foul on Matt De Leon. Fabros also checks in for ABRA for the first time, and babalik ito si Brandon Alfonso, number 27 for Pampanga, replacing etong si Jamo Igilos. Meron na silang ililinis dito. May minap lang na wet spot doon. Good job by Rayson and Chavez na tinulungan yung mapper na tanggalin yung basa doon. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in this third period. Chavez goes to Clemente. He checked. Too strong nga lang for JL. Viernes, the toss-up. Rayson, the layup. And Kurt with the easy layup. Ang ngiti pa doon itong si Rayson. Escamis gives it. Fabros, jumper. Off the glass. First 2 points para dito kay Fabros. Rayson from way downtown. No go. There's a foul on the rebound play. Viernes pushing away Chavez there. Take a look at this bank shot right here by Fabros. His first 2 points of the ball game in his first minutes para dito sa ABRA Weavers. Tolentino swings it over to Escamis. Clint gets the switch. They go down low to Bringas. Bringas misses the gimme. Rayson says calm down for Pampanga. 54-39 is our score. There's a foul. A pushing foul whistle here. It's going to be whistled on Fabros. That's going to be his first personal foul. Alfonso gives it to Viernes. Jeff attacks. Jeff tried to swing it to Matt De Leon, pero De Leon was not on the spot that he wanted to go. Turnover for Pampanga, and here's a timeout. On the floor, lamang pa rin itong Pampanga Giant Lanterns by 15 points, 54-39. 4 minutes and 33 seconds natitira sa ating third period. You are still watching the tune-up game between the Pampanga Giant Lanterns and the ABRA Weavers, as we can see. Coach Camille Aisel Santos. Advance happy birthday, Coach Aisel. Di niya alam na nakatutok na pala sa kanya ang camera. As we can see, the two-time Coach of the Year, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, giving instructions to his players as Alcoriza and Concepcion troops back into the ball game. Escamis, long two-pointer. Referee says stepping daw doon si Clint. Nonetheless, 54-41 is our score. MJ swings it to his dominant hand. In and out nga lang yung kanyang tira. Tumatakbo ang ABRA and there's a foul. Alcoriza fell hard. Double black eye pa yun kasi siya pa yung napituhan ng foul doon. Sorry, that's Archie Concepcion, not Alcoriza. Pareho kasi sila naka number 2. Take a look at this collision right here. Archie playing linebacker there, and there's the foul whistled on Archie Concepcion. He falls down hard. Good thing Archie stands back up. Bringas gives it to Tolentino. Escamis fires a triple, and Clint draws a foul on Renz. That'll be 3 free throws dito for Clint Escamis. The season 99 MVP of the NCAA from Mapua Cardinals. Take a look at that. He draws a foul on Alcoriza. Escamis, who led the Mapua Cardinals to the finals, but bowed out against San Beda. What a journey Clint Escamis has. Started his basketball career for Mapua Red Robins, transferred to the UE Red Warriors, and then last year, homecoming for Clint Escamis, won the MVP and took his team to the finals. Ultimately came short, but now dons the jersey of ABRA. Garcia comes out. Itong si Paul Cruz, former Ateneo Blue Eagle, comes in. Archie playing point guard. Gives it to Cruz. Gives it to Alcoriza. They go pick and roll with Brandon Alfonso. Ren, step back jumper. No good, and there's another foul whistled here on Matt De Leon. And that'll put itong Pampanga Giant Lanterns over the limit. That'll mean 2 free throws para dito kay Chavez. 3 minutes and 31. Natitira sa ating third period. Take a look at the jumper there by Alcoriza, and there's the foul on Matt De Leon. Holding on to Chavez on the rebound play. Chavez gets the first free throw to go. Nababa na nila sa 9 points ang kalamangan ng Pampanga. Two for 2 para dito kay Chavez. 54-46, 8-point lead for Pampanga. Archie gives it to Alfonso. Alfonso turns it over. Good steal by Bringas. Escamis, pull-up jumper is good. Clint Escamis coming alive here in the third period. The MVP of the NCAA going wild. As De Leon, all alone, De Leon throws it down! With the left hand at that. With some emphasis from Matt De Leon and the oohs and ahs from the crowd. Clint stops on a dime. Jumper off the mark, and Matt with the rebound. And there's a foul going to be whistled here on Fabros. Take a look at this. Beautiful left-handed slamma-jamma galing dito kay Matt De Leon with his offhand. With some emphasis there as Escamis goes back to the bench. Papasok ulit itong si Mac Talio. Cruz gives it to Alcoriza, to De Leon. They want to go to Archie. Finally gives it to him. Archie pick and roll with Matt. Matt, one-handed shot. Sobra nga lang. Talio with a rebound. 2 minutes and 15 natitira sa ating third quarter. Tolentino gives it to Fabros. Swings it to Chavez. Chavez attacks, dumps it off. Ooh, no good yung layup dun. Tolentino. Alfonso and Tolentino got tangled up there. Foul will be whistled on Neal, and dahil penalty na, this will mean 2 free throws on Brandon Alfonso. a look at this. Good no-look by Chavez and Tolentino. Too strong nga lang sa layup, and they got entangled after the rebound play. Some little action there between Brandon Alfonso and Neil Tolentino. Tune-up game pa lang, pero nagkakainitan na agad itong dalawang kupunan. But nonetheless, they are preparing for the upcoming season. Of course, ABRA debuting doon. The Pampanga defending their championship. So that is going to be interesting to see. As of right now, itong tune-up game natin, pinuno agad ng mga kabalin. And this is just a tune-up game, ha? As Bringas too strong on the layup. Fabros with the old board. Talio works the baseline. Stolen away by Paul Cruz. Paul on the run. Cruz knocks down the layup plus a foul. The former Blue Eagle with the athletic layup right there. Right in front of Chavez's face. Take a look at this one more time. It's so nice. You have to see it twice para dito kay Paul Cruz. Chavez still confronting the referees. Jonathan Banal really livid there on the sidelines. Cruz misses the bonus free throw. Chavez gives it to GP. To go down low, Fabros overshoots on the jumper. Alcoriza with a rebound. Renz gives it to Cruz. DHO to Archie. Archie, three-pointer, knocks it down. Pangalawang tres para dito kay Archie Concepcion. And then he fouls Mac Talio. The bossing fouls the Fiber Xer. Or should I say former bossing fouls the former Fiber Xer right there. Take a look at this sidestep three-pointer galing dito kay Archie Concepcion from way downtown, all the way from Mexico, Pampanga. Mac Talio knocks down the first free throw. The legend himself, Mac Talio, back into the regional basketball scene. He's going to make a lot of fans in ABRA happy. They cut the lead down to 12, 62 to 50. Cruz, defended well by Chavez. Swings it to Archie, good up fake. Traveling nga lang si Concepcion doon. Archie surprised with the traveling call. Clemente back into the ball game for ABRA. Clint gives it to Talio. Back to Clint. JL. Try to go down low dito. Papunta kay Faundo. Masyado nga lang mababa yung pasa ni Asuncion. Another turnover para dito sa ABRA. 44 and a half seconds natitira sa ating laro. Sa ating third quarter, should I say. Alfonso gives it to Cruz. They go back to Archie. Checks the clock. Cruz, three-pointer. Short. Alfonso with an offensive rebound. Di nga lang pumasok yung kanyang putback. Well defended by GP Faundo. Escamis. A 1-second difference shot clock, game clock. Clint. He'll attack. He kicks it over. Talio, three-pointer. No good. Alcoriza with a board. 1 second to work with. At di naaabot ang layup ni Paul Cruz. Nonetheless, etong Pampanga Giant Lanterns, abante pa rin ng 12 puntos dito. 62 to 50. So we can see ito si JL Clemente catching fire dito in the third quarter, knocking down 2 3-pointers. Also, on the other end for Pampanga naman, itong si MJ Garcia, 5 points to his tally dito sa third quarter alone. Fabros that jumper and then the easy pick and roll layup para dito kay Igilos. Credit itong si Rayson. And Clint Escamis went ballistic in the midway point of the second quarter, but Rayson with the answer. The answer from the Letranista. And ito, Matt De Leon with the emphasis there on the throwdown. That caps off a brilliant third period from Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Nakabante pa rin ng 12 puntos dito, 62-50. Kapit lang po kayo, magbabalik po tayo dito sa tune-up game ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns kontra the ABRA Weavers. Ngayon pa rin po ay nakatutok sa tune-up game ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns versus the ABRA Weavers, brought to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda in partnership with Sinag Liga Asia Sports Production, and live po tayo ngayon sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. And of course at Pampanga_PIO YouTube channel. Happy watching po sa inyo. Of course, tune-up game pa lang po ito. As we can see, itong bench ng Pampanga. Tune-up game pa lang po ito, pero tingnan nyo naman po ang napakaraming Kapampangan. Pinuno agad ang BREN GUIAO. We can see G-Boy Gob. Some Twin Tower combination para dito sa Pampanga. Gob and Igilos. Now on the floor together with Vince Ventulan and Jacob Corteza and Kurt Rayson. ABRA with the basketball. Clemente, three-pointer, overshoots that time, but Escamis hustling hard. That's why he was the MVP of the season 99 ng NCAA. The little things matter para dito kay Clint Escamis. Vince gives it to Kurt. Rayson has 8 seconds to work with. Ventulan attacks. Block right there by Escamis. Clint doing everything right now for ABRA. Clemente, back to Escamis, back to Clemente. JL, three-pointer. Still no go for Clemente. Babalik ang bola dito sa Pampanga. Last touch doon si GP Faundos. We can see Coach Jonathan Banal on your screens. Rayson gives it to Vince. Gives it to Jacob. Corteza gives it to Kurt back. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Rayson. Kickball violation will be whistled here on Clemente. Sideline inbound for the men in white. Corteza gives it to Kurt. Rayson looking to dance with Escamis. Rayson steps through. Rayson puts it up. Di nga lang pumasok yung layup na yun. And Escamis with a basketball again. Clint looking to take over this ball game as he kicks it to Clemente. JL jumper short na naman for Clemente. Vince to Rayson to Igilos and Jamo. Couldn't finish the layup. Pero bola pa rin ang Pampanga as hindi nahawakan na maayos ni Asuncion. Yung rebound. 8 minutes and 10. Natitira sa ating laro. Rayson. 9 seconds on the clock. Kurt gives it to G-Boy. Gob underneath, puts it up. Wala pa rin. That's gonna be a pushing foul whistle here on Jamo Igilos. Down by 10 itong ABRA Weavers. You can see Governor Dennis Delta Pineda on your screens. Talio at the top of the key. Kicks it to Clemente. Down low to Asuncion. Baseline jumper. No go. Look at that rebound by Igilos. Kurt, pull-up jumper. In and out. No good pa rin for Kurt Rayson. Paundo with a rebound, gives it to Talio. Escamis gives it back to Talio. GP swings it. Clemente, up fake, jumper. No go pa rin. Now 0 for 4 in this fourth quarter si Clemente after a hot third quarter. As Talio put back, wala pa rin. Rayson looks up, gives it to Corteza. Jacob, one-handed shot, no go. Gob with the board. G-Boy, wow! Fundamentals right there from G-Boy Gob, the former Fighting Maroon. Escamis. There's a holding foul whistled here on Corteza. Trying to hold on to Mac Talio off that pin down. 6 minutes and 35 natitira sa ating laro. 14 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa ABRA as Mark Montuano comes back in, replacing etong si Asuncion. GP turns against Igilos, blocked by Jamo. And Kurt saves it to Ventulan. Vince brings down the ball. Gives it to Kurt. A lot of time on their shot clock. Rayson to Vince. Ventulan three-pointer. No go, and Paundo collects the board. Escamis. Tipsy-do layup, no go. Well defended by Gob and Ventulan. Rayson rises up. Wala yung one-handed jumper niya, and you can see the frustration on Kurt's face. GP gives it to Mac. 5 minutes and 40 remaining in this ball game. Talio couldn't knock down the jumper. Jacob gives it to G-Boy. They go back to Vince. Rayson's wide open, but he decides not to shoot. Kurt. There's a foul. Away from the basketball. It's going to be on Mark Montuanos. Tolentino and Pastoran come back into the ballgame. Uupo muna. Ito si Clemente and Paundo. Small ball lineup right now for Coach Jonathan Banal. Vince. Dribbling against Tolentino. Ventulan forces the issue. Traveling nga lang na itawag sa kanya. O'Neal with a smile on his face, of course. Tolentino, that's his calling card, defense. And Pampanga knows a lot about that dahil nga he did play last season dito for Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Now he has the basketball, gives it to Bringas. Hands it off to Talio. Mac, stop and go move. Well defended, but he gives it to Montuano at his favorite spot. Di nga lang pumasok yung tira doon ni Mark Montuano. Jamo wants it at the post against Bringas. Egilos gives it to Corteza. Corteza flip shot. Wala yun. G-Boy Gob. Hindi nga na pumasok yung putback, but on the third serving, Gob finally gets the basket. Timeout will be whistled here para sa panig ng ABRA Weavers. They are down by 14 points, 66 to 52 after this 2 consecutive offensive rebounds from G-Boy Gob, and he finally gets the bucket to go. Abante ng 14 dito ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns, 66 to 52. pa rin po ay nakatutok sa tune-up game ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns and the ABRA Weavers dito po sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Centers. We can see a sea of white dito supporting itong Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Tune-up game pa lang pero pinuno na agad nila yung BREN GUIAO. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Iba talaga ang suporta ng mga kabalin. Bringas. 4 minutes and 9 seconds natitira sa ating laro. Tonton fires the jumper, knocks it down over Gob. Now a 12-point lead for Pampanga, 62-54. Ventulan works the pick and roll. Vince attacks, Vince draws a foul, and the basket for the former Growling Tiger. What a layup right here by Vince Ventulan. Working the pick and roll to perfection right there, and with the hang time finish. Vince Ventulan getting the basket. Of course, he was teammates with another Kapampangan doon sa UST. Migs Pangilinan. Kasama sila doon together with guys like Nick Cabanyero, Paul Manalang. Now he dons the Pampanga Giant Lanterns jersey. As he did play last season, 86 for UST. Talio gives it to Bringas. 69-54 is our score. Mac working the pick and roll with Montuano. Kicks it to Chavez. Chavez layup is good against G-Boy Gob. Viernes gives it to Ventulan. Back to Gob. The new faces of Pampanga together with Ronin Santos playing right now in the fourth quarter as Corteza pulls up, knocks it down as Tolentino falls down to the ground. Talio to Bringas. There's an offensive foul whistle here on Mark Montuano. Another turnover para dito sa ABRA Weavers. Take a look at that. Dropping itong si Tolentino and Corteza with the floater. Tinitigan pa si Nil Tolentino doon. Viernes manning the point for Pampanga. They give it to Ronin. Jacob at the post against Talio and Mac. Fouls itong si Jacob Corteza. Talio pleading his case. Jacob Corteza, a former College of St. Benil Blazer. Knocks down the first free throw. (72-56). 2 out of 2 for Corteza. Escamis lobs it up down low. There's a clear foul there on Ronan Santos. Bringas. Kala niya penalty na, but that will only be Pampanga's third team foul, as we can see. Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and Coach Humperdick Di Matulak on your screens. Chavez swings it to Clint. Escamis pulls up. No go for Escamis. GP with a rebound. And Faundo gets the basket plus a foul. GP Faundo out muscling and out hustling itong si G-Boy Gob that time. Look at this move by GP Faundo. Of course, the younger brother of Brian Faundo, another former PBA player. GP completes the three-point play. Vince gives it to G-Boy. Swings it to Jacob. Viernes works the pick and roll with Gob as we enter the last 2 minutes of the ball game. Viernes fadeaway jumper. No go. Escamis to Talio. Three-pointer. It's good for Mactalio. They're trying to make a comeback here. Down by 11 on ABRA Weavers. Vince gives it to Jacob. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Viernes, 9 seconds to work with. Are we gonna see some Viernes magic right now against Escamis? Oh, good defense right there by Escamis. Talio on a 3-on-1. Talio leaves the layup short that time. Corteza to Viernes, three-pointer. In and out nga lang. A minute and 5 seconds natitira sa ating laro. Escamis to the corner. Chavez. Less than a minute natitira sa ating laro. GP gives the screen. Chavez to Faundo. Faundo misses the layup. And Ventulan will settle down what could be the final play for Pampanga in this tune-up game. Viernes. 6 seconds to Ventulan. Three-pointer. No go. And with 21 seconds natitira, final score na lang po ang ating inaantay dito. And with that rebound by Ronan Santos, that'll do it na. Pampanga defends home floor in this tune-up game in dominant fashion. Wire-to-wire victory galing dito sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Hindi nila hinayaang makalamang ang ABRA ni isang beses. Of course, led by Balti in the first half with 14 points to his tally. Pero syempre in the second half, guys like Kurt the Hurt Rayson, MJ Garcia, Vince Ventulan, and Jacob Corteza caught fire. Encho Serrano did not even play the second half. The legend of Jeff Viernes, all smiles dito for Pampanga dahil nga panalo sila dito sa tune-up game nila. Of course, a friendly handshake there from Mayor JB and Governor Dennis Delta Pineda in center court. Our final score nga 73-62, an 11-point victory para dito sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns kontra sa ABRA Weavers. Ano po magtatapos ang ating tune-up game dito between the Pampanga Giant Lanterns and the ABRA Weavers, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda in partnership with Sinag Liga Asia Sports Production. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa at sinasabi ko po na see you soon mga kabalen. Peace!